How to add existing friends in the Monopoly Go game. So let's get started. First of all, open the Monopoly Go game just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now to add the existing friends, tap onto friends at the bottom, just right here. Now select it. Now to add the existing friends, which are the players who have existed in the Monopoly Go game. Now tap on to invite just right here. Tap on it, and by sending the invitation, they will get your friend request and they will accept it and you can be friends. So these are the existing friends that you can add as a friend in the Monopoly Go game. And to add the friends, you can simply tap on to invite right here. Then tap on to the invite link right here once again. And copy the link and simply send it to the friend who has been playing the Monopoly Go game, and they will accept the invitation by clicking on that link, and you guys will be friends in the Monopoly Go game. And that's it. This is how you can add the existing friends in the Monopoly Go game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.